Hi guys! So I actually just finished filming a video about muesli, and guess what? A parcel arrived via UPS. This is from Okej Bakes. OKEJ Bakes. So I think that's okay, right? Not Okej Bakes. Anyway, so let's open it and see what's inside. I'm very excited about this because I remember wanting to order from her last year. I think around October. Anyway, I could not find her online. I had trouble. And then I think she was also on vacation. And then I was on vacation for the last 2 months. Finally, I have it today. So, let's do this. So, this is Ube Macapuno Leche Flan cake. That's so pretty. This is cassava cake. Wait, I don't think I ordered cassava cake. But I ordered sisig. Okay, one thing I can say, the sisig is big. So that's good. I will not try this yet. This is cold. I don't have rice, and I just had breakfast or brunch because it's 11:59 in the morning or noon. But we can try the cassava cake and the ube macapuno. So let's open this. It makes me so happy to see that she actually vacuum sealed the cassava cake, which is nice because it keeps it from leaking out if it is leaking out. So let's try this. And I'm very excited about the ube. I'm obsessed with ube, you guys. So I'll tell you a story. When I was a kid, I remember I wanted ice cream, and my uncle said, okay, you go ahead and buy ice cream. You can buy anything that's not grainy. He specifically said, "Kanang walay balas-balas." And I think it was maybe 6, 7, 8, something. No, definitely not 6. I think it was like more like 9 or 10 years old. So this was in Ormoc. I was visiting my grandpa, and then I went out and I came back with ube ice cream. My uncle was so mad because like, I told you nothing that's sandy or grainy, and yeah, and I was like, oh, sorry, and I was like, that's my favorite. I didn't realize it was sandy or grainy. You know, those bits and pieces, but yeah. That's how crazy I am about ube. So, excuse me, every time I see ube, I tend to buy it. So, this is how the cassava cake looks. Let's give it a try. And oh, I don't think my husband's gonna be happy about all the purchases I have because yesterday, I just had siomai from Ann Castro delivered, and then Filipino craving siomai has not been delivered yet, but I'm hoping it gets delivered today because tomorrow we're driving to Neustadt under Weinstrasse, so that's not gonna be good if it does not get delivered, but let's hope it does. That's good. I like it. I know it's not my favorite cassava cake because I've had better, but I do like it. I like the fact that it doesn't seem to be very oily and sticky. Which is very interesting. And it's good. There's nothing to complain about this. So if you have something to order from her, definitely give the cassava cake a try. I love that. And it's sweet, but it's not very sweet. I don't understand it, but I like it, and that's what matters. So, the box. That's so pretty. I mean, it's just a brown cardboard box, but it's so pretty that she puts it inside that for this one. Oh my god. Do you see my smile? Looks so good, you guys. I see the Leche Flan. And right now, I don't see the Macapuno part. It smells good. So let's use this. That's really loaded with ube. Oopsie, that fell. And oh, I can hear my husband walking around, so I'm sure he knows I'm taking a video, but he will be coming in as soon as I'm done. That's very good. It does have a grainy texture, but it's really good. And I must say, it's totally different from the Kabayan Kuchen Ube Leche Flan cake that I've ordered a few times. This is different, and somehow it gives me... Wait, let's try a bit more. So this is the layer. This is Ube Cake. This is like cream. Ube cream cake. And then this is like Ube Halaya or something like that. And then cream on top, and then Leche Flan. Guys, I cannot compare the two. There's just no comparison. They're different. Totally different. So it is what it is. This one gives me a caramel taste, I think. Burnt caramel taste from the Leche Flan here on top, and from the kind of caramel sauce, which is something I like and very interesting, and that's very different from everything else. So yeah, it's very good. Let me try the Macapuno. Because the Macapuno is meh. It doesn't really add, and for me personally, it doesn't add much to the taste, except for the part that it is coconut and it is sweet, so it does make it sweeter. So I think I would, yes, if I can and would reorder this again, which I believe I would probably request without the Macapuno, if possible. because I don't find that it adds much to the taste itself for me, and it's just a risk of spoilage. I mean, coconut. Did I say more about that? I think not. Anyway, really worth a try. It's interesting. It's really heavy. Bye! I will feed my husband now.
My
And is it good?
my
Mm?
my
Yum yum. Farah, is it yummy? How is it?
catfish.